Hello everybody, in this lesson I'm gonna explain to you how to express or how to tell time accurately. So what time is it? Before we start, let's take a look at this clock نشوف هذه الساعة. So if you could see here, what is pointing at number 3 is called the hour hand. And this is, which is pointing to number 12, is called the minute hand. Okay, so this is the hour hand. هذا يسمونه اللي هو hour hand, the short one, and this is the minute hand. Okay, so now it is 3 o'clock. And as we go around, it is 4 o'clock, it is 5 o'clock, it is 6 o'clock, it is 7 o'clock, it is 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and 11 o'clock. Now, so the first way in order to tell what time is it or how to express what time is it is when you have a complete hour. When you have a complete hour, لما تكون ساعة كاملة, you just have to say the number of the hour or the hour and then you say clock. So it is 3 o'clock, it is 5 o'clock, it is 6 o'clock, it is 7 o'clock. Now, how to tell time? There are two ways or two methods in order to tell time or to express time. The first one, as you could see here, I have written the hours in black. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are the hours. And I have written, كتبت minutes in purple. So 05, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55. Okay, so the first way, we should start with the hour. نبدأ بالساعة بعدها minute. So it is hour and then after it minutes. Now here, as you could see in this example, so we start with the hour. So it is 3:25. It is 3:25. So is that clear? Now let's move on to the next one. Now you have to tell what time is it. Let's take a look at this example. The hour hand is pointing to 3 and the minute hand is pointing to 6 or to 30. So it is, you start with the hour, نبدأ بالساعة أول. It is 3:30. It is 3:30. So as we said previously. Now here we have 3 clocks and we're supposed to tell time accurately بالطريقة الأولى اللي هي the hour first and then the minutes. Now here if you could see, so here it is 3:05. 3:05. I started with the hour which is 3 and then the minutes 05. Here it is 3:30. 3:30. Here طبعا لما تكون الساعة قريبة على 4 ما يكون الhour hand على 3 بالضبط. So here it is 3 actually, but it is 3:50. It is 3:50. So is that clear? This is the first way of how to tell or how to express time. And you just have to be very careful of how to pronounce the minute accurately. يعني أنا الحين بوضح لكم 05, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55. Is that clear? Now let's move on to the next way of how to tell time. الطريقة الثانية بس بوضح لكم. So this is a clock. The numbers in purple المكتوبين باللون البنفسجي. These are the hours: 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, in this way, we are dividing the clock into quarters. مقسمينها إلى 4. طبعا أي شيء في هذا الجزء يقولون عنه past. شو يقولون عنه past. Past معناها Okay. Anything before after 6 بعد الستة نقول عنه 2 مثل إلا. Okay. Now let's take a look at the clock here. So this is 05, 10 and 15 is a quarter. يعني هنا الربع. 20, 25 and the 30 is half. silent. طبعا هنا يكون نعيد الأرقام 25, 20. This is also 45 is a quarter, and 10 and this is 05. طبعا بس لو تلاحظون شو الفرق، انه هذا يقعون في جزء الباست اللي هو وهنا يقعون في جزء ال. Okay, so as I said previously, you have to memorize this very carefully. Quarter, but this is past quarter. Here it's going to be past half. Here 45 to quarter. Okay, لازم تعرفون هذا الشيء وتحفظونه. So 15 minutes is past quarter. Okay, 30 is past half. And 45 is 2/4. Now, the rule says, القاعدة تقول, we should start with the minutes first and then either past or to and then the hour. جدا سهلة. نبدأ بعكس الثانية، نبدأ بالدقائق قبل، بعدين either past or to، بعدين الhour. Now let's take a look at these examples. طبعا عارفين هذا الجزء يكون past وهذا الجزء يكون to. هذا الجزء past وهذا الجزء يكون to. هذا الجزء يكون past وهذا الجزء يكون to. Now the first one, I'm gonna first number the clocks. This is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. نكتب القاعدة. What time is it? We should say it is the minutes first and then either past or to and then the hour, right? Now let's take a look at the first one. So right now it's easy. You start with the minute. The minute hand is pointing to 3, so it is quarter. في هذا الجزء في هذا الجزء يكون past what is the our hand is pointing at 3. It is quarter past 3, right? Now number 2. Okay, so the minute is pointing to 6, and 6 is, as I said previously, is half past what is our hand is pointing at 3. Okay, so it is half past 3. Now number 3, as you could see, it is طبعا هنا you're gonna start with the quarter. quarter to لأنها في هذه الجهة. طبعا هنا quarter to 4. خلوا أوضح لكم. quarter to 4 يعني معناها بالعربي 4 إلا، يعني بس إنها تساوي 3:45. يعني باقي يعني باقي على ما تكمل الساعة 4 ربع ساعة، فهنا 4 إلا. So you just have to pay attention to this point. يعني لما يكون في هذا الجزء نضيف ساعة على إيش؟ نضيف ساعة على أيوة على الساعة اللي مفروض تكون فيها. Now here, let's take a look here. There is also another example in order to explain to you what I meant by that. So I want to tell the time in 2 different ways. أول حاجة it is الطريقة الأولى أبدأ بالhour. It is طبعا هنا مش الساعة 9 actually it is 8. It is 8 and what is it? 55. So it is 8:55. Here it is the other way. It is يعني هذه الساعة. The other way we start with the minute first. So it is 05. طبعا في هذه الجهة 2:09 يعني باقي علينا 5 دقايق على ما تصير الساعة 9. Is that clear? So I hope that you have understood the lesson. It might seem at first very complicated, but you have to watch the video over and over in order to understand how to express time accurately in English. Till next time, have a good one.